everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let me take you through my short trip to my great grandmother in Kerala. I was not planning to start a YouTube channel then, so I don't have many clips, but I want to show you the beautiful rainy Kerala and the places I visited. So this is when my little brother Jaden experienced his first rain and he loved it. We then decided to go to Konni Elephant Reserve, which was 30 minutes drive from home. From there, we decided to go to Adavi Ecotourism. On the way, we had lunch from a small hut-like place.
So in Adavi, they have this Kottavanji ride. You can choose between short trip or long trip. The short trip is for about 25 minutes and costs 500 rupees per boat. And the long trip lasts for about 45 minutes and that costs 900 rupees per boat. And one boat can take 4 adults.
Done? Scared? You scared?